Greetings family, welcome to another video here at Empress Yuda and Ras Natural Livity channel.
In Rastafari, on top of a mountain, in the Caribbean Sea, Atlantic, Ethiopia.
Today, I'm sounding a bit hoarse. However, I'm going to proceed with this video. Not putting too much strain on my voice. I will do a bit of talking just for the intro. However, for the remainder of the video, I'll ensure that I do a voiceover. With that said, family, in this video, I'll be packing some orders like I always do. However, these orders today are of sea moss gels. And these sea moss gels are not the plain sea moss gels that we usually sell on the website. By popular demand and by request, we've been asked to start making fruit-infused sea moss gel. So that's what we're going to be packing today. We have quite a few orders, so I want you to just come along with me as I get packing. So at Ancient Herbs Company, we make 3 different fruit-flavored sea moss gels. And these are not just flavored with natural fruits, but they're infused, they're blended with the natural fruits. So namely pineapple, mango, and strawberries. Those are the 3 flavors that we currently sell. These sea moss gels are ready to eat, so you can consume your sea moss gel on the go straight from the jar. They're lightly sweetened with dates along with a bit of Texas wildflower honey. I make sure to stress Texas wildflower honey because we try to source all our ingredients locally. Our sea moss comes from the Caribbean, and that's from St. Lucia. And this is the golden sea moss, and this is a wild crafted sea moss. So you know you're guaranteed the best quality sea moss, as this sea moss is sun-dried and it's imported straight from St. Lucia here to the United States of America. How does it taste? Well, these sea moss gels do taste like applesauce. So if you know the taste of applesauce, this is the actual texture and the taste of these sea moss. The only difference is you're going to actually taste the fruit that it's infused with. These sea moss, you know, are very rich in vitamin C, and that's for the vitamin that actually comes from the fruit. You know that sea moss is very, very good for you. It is a very rich source of vitamin A as well as vitamin C, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidant. It's very rich in iodine. You know sea moss is a superfood. It helps to boost your immune levels. It also helps to speed up your metabolism. So if you're looking to lose weight, you know sea moss is ideal. It also improves your libido. It supports your bone health. It revitalizes your skin, and it helps to improve eczema, psoriasis, and breakouts. Sea moss helps with hair growth. It also helps to strengthen your nails. Sea moss also helps to strengthen your muscles. So overall, sea moss is a very good superfood for both male and female vitality. If you've not yet tried sea moss, I would encourage you to try the fruit-infused way, because I've gravitated to this way. Growing up in Jamaica, we're so accustomed to having sea moss as porridge, having sea moss as a punch. And growing up, yes, our parents did give us dairy, but as we grow older, we depart from that. So I would have it now with almond milk, with a bit of with some dates and a bit of honey. But now, since I've been making the sea moss with the fruits, this is how I have it every single morning, religiously. And if you've been taking sea moss, or if sea moss has been a part of your diet for some time now, let me know in the comment section. Let me know as well how, you know, you use your sea moss, the other ways that you include sea moss in your day-to-day life, whether you use it to make cosmetics or, you know, whatever. Let me hear from you. So until my next video, please check out the website, ancientherbsco.com. That's www.ancientherbsco.com. I'll be linking the website in the description bar. So until my next video, blessed love family, and have an upful day. Empress Yuda.